Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to explain one of the most fundamental sentence structure in Japanese, XはYです. This structure translates roughly to X is Y, or S for X, it is Y in English. It's used to make simple statement about the subject. Let me break it down. X is the subject or the topic of the sentence. X is typically a noun. Wa is the topic marker. It shows what the sentence is about. Y is what you're saying about the subject. Y can be a noun or an adjective. Desu at the end of the sentence doesn't have a direct English equivalent, but it's the sentence ending used to make the sentence polite. Here is an important note about this hiragana character. The hiragana character ha is usually pronounced ha, but when it's used as a particle, it's pronounced wa. X wa Y des in this structure is acting as a particle, so we pronounced wa. To keep it straightforward in this video, we will focus on examples where X and Y are both nouns. If Y is an adjective, you need to learn additional grammar for adjective conjugation, which is a bit advanced for this grammar video. Let's go over some examples now. You can use this sentence structure to make a simple self-introduction about your name. Watashi wa desu. I am. You can put your name here. Let's use the name Hikaru as an example. Watashi wa Hikaru desu. It means I am Hikaru. Japanese speakers tend to omit subjects when they feel it's clear to the listener what or who they're referring to. When introducing yourself, it's clear that you're talking about yourself, so you can drop the subject and simply say, Hikaru desu. Another example. If you want to introduce yourself that you're a student, you can say, Watashi wa gakusei desu. I am a student. Or drop the subject and say, gakusei desu. However, when it's unclear who or what you're talking about, it's necessary to specify the subject. Let's look at another example. Mr. Sakurai is a teacher. In Japanese, this would be Sakurai-san wa sensei desu. Sakurai-san is the subject for the sentence. Sensei is what we are saying about Sakurai-san. There are a few things to note. In Japanese, you don't need to use indefinite or definite articles like a or the, so both a teacher and teachers are just sensei. San is a polite title added after a person's name. Instead of saying you, Japanese speakers often use the person's name with san to refer to them directly. Let's try translating the sentences into Japanese. First sentence. Ninomiya is a university student. University student is daigakusei in Japanese. This becomes Ninomiya-san wa daigakusei desu. Ninomiya-san is the subject. Daigakusei is what we are saying about the subject. Second sentence. Tanaka is a high school student. High school student is koukousei in Japanese. So this becomes Tanaka-san wa koukousei desu. Tanaka-san is the subject. Koukousei is what we are saying about the subject. Good job. Now you know how to make simple statement in Japanese using X wa Yです. I'm going to make more videos about Japanese grammars in the future. Please make sure that you review and get very familiar with all the hiragana characters, because hiragana is very important in learning Japanese. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos about Japanese language.